Hi everyone, welcome to Bodhanapu Meena's channel. It is a good news for those who want to make their career in banking sector as IBPS released its notification for the recruitment of Officer Scale 1, 2 and 3 and Office Assistant that is multi-purpose in regional rural banks. And 45 rural banks are participating in this recruitment process. The tentative schedule of events is as follows. Online registration including edit or modification of application by candidates is allowed from 1st July 2020 till 21st July 2020. Payment of online application fees is allowed from 1st July 2020 till 21st July 2020. Last date for registration as well as online payment for application is 21st July 2020. Download of call letters for pre-exam training for desired candidates can be done on 12th August 2020. Commencement of pre-exam training from 24th to 29th August 2020. Download of call letters for online preliminary examination can be done in August 2020. And commencement of online examination preliminary can be seen in either in September or October 2020. Declaration of result for online preliminary examination will be in October 2020. Friends, these are the tentative dates. They may or may not vary. Now let us see the list of vacancies for each cadre in regional rural banks for Common Written Examination 2020 across the country. So for the post of office assistant or multi-purpose, we are having more than 4,500 vacancies. And for RRB officer scale 1, there are 3,800 vacancies. Specialist cadre officer scale 2, agricultural officer, there are 100 vacancies. Marketing officer 8 vacancies. Treasury officer, there are 3 vacancies. For law and CA, there are 26 vacancies for each post, and in IT there are 59 vacancies. And officer scale 2 in general banking officer, there are 838 vacancies, and officer scale 3 156 vacancies are there total. Totally we are having 9,500 plus vacancies. So we are having huge vacancies in our RRBs, friends. So kindly apply and grab the opportunity. Application fees for officer scale 1, 2, 3 and office assistant is as follows. For SC, ST, persons with benchmark disabilities and ex-servicemen candidates should pay Rs 175 plus bank transaction charges, and general candidates as well as the BC candidates have to pay 850 rupees plus bank transaction charges. And the last date for registration, applying and payment of fees is 21st July 2020. Now let us see the age eligibility for all the cadres for general candidates. For officer scale 3, that is senior manager, the person should be above 21 years and below 40 years. That means the candidate should not have been born earlier than 3rd July 1980 and should not born later than 30th June 1999. So here both dates are inclusive for all the cadres. So for officer scale 2, that is manager cadre, the person should be above 21 years of age and below 32 years of age. That is, the candidate should not have been born earlier than 3rd July 1988 and should not be born later than 30th June 1999. And for officer scale 1, that is assistant manager, the person should be above 18 years and below 30 years. That is, the candidate should not be born earlier than 3rd July 1990 and later than 30th June 2002. And for office assistant, that is multi-purpose, the person's age should be between 18 and 28 years. That is, candidate should not be born earlier than 2nd July 1992 and later than 1st July 2002. And these dates are for general candidates and ex-servicemen, and there is age relaxation for BC candidates and SC candidates. For BC candidates, plus 3 years age relaxation is there, and for SC candidates, plus 5 years of age relaxation is there. Now let us see the educational qualification that is required for applying for these posts. For the post of office assistant, they require bachelor's degree in any discipline from recognized university, and they should have proficiency in local language and should have working knowledge of computer, and no need of experience for applying this office assistant. And for the officer scale 1, they should possess the bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university, and preference will be given to the candidates having degree in agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agricultural engineering, pisciculture, agricultural marketing and cooperation, and information technology. And even officer scale 1 doesn't require any sort of experience. Officer scale 1 should require proficiency in local language and should have working knowledge of computer. And next is officer scale 2, general banking officer, managerial role. Should possess bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. So here they should at least possess 50% of marks in average. So preference will be given to the candidates having degree in banking, finance, marketing, agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agricultural engineering, pisciculture, agricultural marketing and cooperation, information technology, management, law, economics and accountancy. And they require an experience of 2 years as an officer in a bank or financial institution. Now let us see the educational qualification that is required for applying officer scale 2 specialist cadre. Information technology officer should possess bachelor's degree from a recognized university in electronics or communication or computer science or information technology or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. So the other desirable qualifications are certificate in ASP, PHP, C++, Java, VB, VC, OCP, etc. and should contain 1 year experience in the relevant field. For Chartered Accountant, Certified Associate from Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and should possess 1 year as a Chartered Accountant experience. Law Officer, degree from a recognized university in law or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate and should possess 2 years experience as an advocate or should have worked as law officer in banks or finance institutions for a period of not less than 2 years. And for the Treasury Manager, Chartered Accountant or MBA in Finance from recognized university or institution and should possess 1 year of experience in the relevant field. Marketing Officer, MBA in Marketing from recognized university and should possess 1 year experience in the relevant field. Agricultural Officer, bachelor's degree in agriculture or horticulture or dairy or animal husbandry or forestry or veterinary science or agricultural engineering or pisciculture from a recognized university or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate and should contain 2 years experience in the relevant field. The required educational qualification for applying for the post of Officer Scale 3 Senior Manager should possess bachelor's degree in any discipline from recognized university or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. Preference will be given to the candidates having degree or diploma in banking, finance, marketing, agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agricultural engineering, pisciculture, agricultural marketing and cooperation, information technology, management, law, economics and accountancy, but should possess minimum of 5 years experience as an officer in a bank or financial institutions. Let us see the recruitment process for all the cadres. For the post of office assistant or multi-purpose, it will be of 2 stages. One is preliminary examination and the second one is main examination. Those who have cleared the preliminary examination will be called for the main examination, and there is no interview, and they will be given direct postings based on the scores they have obtained in the main examination. Officer Scale 1. It's a 3-step process for Officer Scale 1. One is preliminary examination, the second is main examination, and the third one is interview. And for the Officer Scale 1, 2 and 3, they have to face the interview. For the Officer Scale 2 and 3, there is a single level examination, and after getting through the single level examination, they have to face through the interview. Let us see the online examination structure. For the preliminary exam for office assistant as well as officer scale 1, there will be the same pattern, and the test is of objective type. It will contains 2 tests, one is reasoning and one is numerical ability, and each will have the 40 questions for 40 marks, and there will be a composite time of 45 minutes, and they should qualify in both the tests by securing minimum cutoff marks. Let us see the main exam pattern for office assistant and officer scale 1. Even this main examination is of objective type, which will be in 5 areas, that is reasoning, computer language, general awareness, and they can opt either English language or Hindi language, and quantitative aptitude, and each for 40 questions, and for reasoning 40 questions for 50 marks, computer knowledge 40 questions for 20 marks, general awareness 40 questions for 40 marks, and either English language or Hindi language 40 questions for 40 marks, and quantitative aptitude 40 questions 50 marks, and totally 200 questions 200 marks, and you will get a composite time of 2 hours, and you should get a minimum cutoff in all the sections. Let us see the single level examination objective type, officer scale 2 general banking officer and officer scale 3. It is also of objective type, covering 5 areas: reasoning, computer knowledge, financial awareness, English language or Hindi language, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. And each area will have 40 questions with variable marks. So reasoning 40 questions 50 marks, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation 40 questions 50 marks, computer knowledge 40 questions 20 marks, financial awareness and language either English or Hindi will contain 40 questions 40 marks, and the composite time of 2 hours you will get, and you have to finish off 200 questions within 2 hours of time, and you should secure minimum cutoff marks to be eligible for the interview. Let us see the exam pattern for officer scale 2 specialist cadre. So it contains 6 areas, that is professional knowledge, reasoning, financial awareness, English or Hindi language, computer knowledge, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. So professional knowledge 40 questions you will get, and for 40 marks, reasoning 40 questions 40 marks, financial awareness 40 questions 40 marks, English language 40 questions 20 marks, or you can opt Hindi language 40 questions 20 marks, and computer language 40 questions 20 marks, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation 40 questions 40 marks, and total 240 questions and 200 marks. The duration is composite of 2 hours and 30 minutes, and you should get minimum sectional cutoff marks. There is a penalty for wrong answers that is applicable to all the preliminary, main and single level examinations. So for each and every wrong answer, 1/4 of the marks assigned to that question will be deducted. So be careful while you are choosing the answer. And if a question is left blank, no answer is marked by the candidate, there will be no penalty for that question. Thank you friends for watching. Stay tuned with my channel for more updates. All the best for your preparation. Have a nice day.